I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Toto. What's going on YouTube, crypto peeps and Veve fam? It's your host, The Gale, back at it again with another edutainment video, as Boise Crypto would call it. Today's video is all about augmented reality. That is what we're going to cover today. So you can treat today as an audiobook. You really don't need to look at the screen, so you can put your phone down, but if you do want to look at the screen, I provided some images for you throughout the video. Feel free to speed up the video or just keep it at normal speed, whatever your brain can handle. Before we hop into the video, in honor of augmented reality, I wanted to show you guys a picture I found on Twitter. So let's check that out. So this picture is brought to you by James Sue on the Twitters. She says, "Nothing to see here, just Veve Collectibles NFT in augmented reality. The possibilities are endless." And as you can see, she has the 2D Ultraman posters on the Great Wall of China. So that's pretty cool. The possibilities are truly endless. People are getting really creative with these digital collectibles. So I just wanted to highlight that. And with that being done, let's get into the video. Augmented reality, a vision of the future. This article was published July 17th, 2018. As it suggests, augmented reality augments our reality. Typically, augmented reality, AR, superimposes computer-generated images or graphics over your current view of the world, forming a composite image and allowing for a whole host of new visual information to be presented in real time. Couple this with gestures, voice commands, and physical actions, and AR has the potential to truly revolutionize our daily interactions with technology, turning ordinary surfaces into interactive multimedia platforms. So just where is AR up to today, and how will it augment our lives in the future? Augmented reality, current applications. Whilst many people believed that virtual reality, VR, will be the next defining technology to enter our lives, its functions are limited in that VR creates a physical barrier between the user and the real world. AR, on the other hand, is designed to integrate seamlessly into our daily lives and activities to improve the quality and rate of information we are presented with. The most prolific example of AR in entertainment and gaming was rolled out with the launch of Pokemon Go, a smartphone app which took in user surroundings and superimposed characters over them. This composite view, displaying the real-world surroundings and the game's characters, allowed users to interact with their smartphones in a way that had not been seen on this grand scale. Similarly, IKEA and Amazon have both put their own AR app out, allowing you to drag and drop furniture and homewares into your home before purchasing them. And whilst this technology is affordably limited to smartphone apps at the moment, placing objects on the floor near you, whether furniture or animated characters, is only a brief glimpse into the potential of AR. With more than $3 billion invested in AR and VR in 2017, this technology is poised to change our lives for the better. Wearable AR devices. Although still in development, a number of companies are racing to complete a consumer-friendly, affordable, and wearable AR device, including Microsoft, Magic Leap, and ODG. These companies, among others, are creating AR headsets, glasses that seamlessly blend the real world with live information and updates, such as in-car navigation systems. A key capability of AR glasses compared to phones is the ability to give people contextually relevant information automatically, integrated into their perception of the physical world. Dr. Franziska Rosner, University of Washington. The potential of AR devices, such as the Microsoft HoloLens, is far-reaching. For example, you can already pin apps to surfaces and they will stay there until you interact with them again, like pinning the daily weather to your bathroom mirror, a cooking app to your fridge, or Netflix to your bedroom wall. With gestures and voice commands, you can also use AR headsets in gaming and entertainment to view your worlds in 3D, or leave your characters around for someone else to find. This is so much bigger than just a device. It's about a whole new computing medium that will transform how we interact with and discover information and engage with people and objects in the world around us. So, why isn't everyone wearing an AR headset? Unfortunately, the technology required to truly augment our lives just isn't available yet. Although products like the Microsoft HoloLens are amazing, and in the hands of software developers, they also aren't commercially available or even affordable for that matter. There are a number of considerations and technological developments that need to happen before AR will truly impact our everyday lives. These include, but are not limited to, improvements in battery life. The HoloLens battery currently lasts 4 hours. Design. Whilst the wraparound headset is okay for testing, it is impractical as an everyday wearable item. The price point for mass adoption. Weight. Current wearable devices are uncomfortable to wear for long periods of time. The way data is captured, sent, and received, including sensors. Adaptable displays that can account for changes in lighting, view, and projections without impairing ordinary vision. The device's ability to respond and adapt to gestures and voice commands efficiently. Although these may appear to be barriers to adoption, Moore's Law, which states for every 2 years our computing power doubles, would suggest that it is only a matter of time before the technology meets our expectations. Then it will just be a matter of ensuring that there is enough content/applications to justify the technology's adoption. So it would seem to me as if, this is just me talking, it would seem to me as if that we are coming into this Ecomi project at the perfect time, because 2 years have passed since this article, and if you're not living under a rock, you can see that technology is rapidly advancing, almost exponentially. So, yeah, it seems like now is the time to be really getting in, and we're still on the ground floor, believe it or not. As far as we've come, we're still not there where people have headsets, have AR technologies where they're using them daily. So all signs are just pointing to like we are in the right place at the right time, especially with Ecomi. And I'm sure Ecomi isn't the only crypto project out there that's going to be profitable or successful, but I think it's going to be one of the major players, so that's why I'm heavily invested and very excited about this one. Veve Digital Collectibles come to life with augmented reality. We're not just bringing you the world's biggest brands, we're bringing them to life. Ecomi recognized early that our digital collectibles would need to be as tangible and interactive as possible. And as the ideas developed, so too did the opportunities to explore and integrate new technologies. By adding augmented reality technology to the platform, we're augmenting your digital collectible experience and truly disrupting the collectibles industry. What can I do with Veve AR? One of the key features of Digital Collectibles platform is the ability to view and interact with your digital collectibles from day one. Using the camera and capabilities of modern smartphones, the app recognizes your surroundings, allowing you to display your digital collectibles pinned on the surfaces such as your desk, and create scenes and showrooms to show off to all your friends. In early versions, you will also be able to take photos of the scenes you've created, including real-world surroundings you place your digital collectibles in, but this will eventually incorporate the ability to take video as well. You can then share these photos with the internal social feed, as well as major social network platforms to show off your digital collections to the world. Future releases will feature even more functionality and interaction, including upgrade options, additional weapons and skins, adding actions and movements to your digital collectibles, adding additional elements to your virtual showroom and scenes, such as props, animations, and new backgrounds. As AR tech continues to develop, so too will your interactions with digital collectibles through Veve. Our partnerships with gaming and development companies such as Big Red Button Entertainment and Pixion Games were formed with Veve and AR in mind to fully utilize capabilities of this technology, namely allowing for your collectibles to be used in gaming, both in-app and AR, the display and evolution of digital art and displays, building Veve to be used in conjunction in development with wearable AR to create augmented gaming realities, three-dimensional collectibles, and integrate these technologies into our everyday lives. With the first stages of gamification expected to roll out by the end of 2019, it won't be long before you can battle your favorite digital collectible in AR on your dining room table. Add this to the future capabilities/possibilities of floating giant AR collectibles above a city, which can be viewed by anyone using the app. And the integration and capabilities of AR technology are only just beginning to be realized. Looking ahead, There are other more features to be added, like adaptable lighting and shadows to make these digital collectibles even more lifelike. And of course, we're holding more than a few tricks up our sleeves.
We'll be wearing AR glasses before long. You know, phones will become obsolete probably in the next 10 years, maybe sooner. And in that digital world, you want digital content, and that's what we'll see. You know, I mean, we all kind of envision that day where you walk into somebody's lounge room, and on the walls they've got their digital art pinned there. You know, you could have an exhibition with 10 people walking around the same space, all seeing a different exhibition, and change it out in real time. You know, those kind of things. When it comes to marketing and promotions, you might walk through your city streets and see a giant Batman floating above a building and walk under it, and it airdrops you collectibles or something. Like, there's truly limitless potential to this thing. You know, we haven't even started to roll out some of the interactive collectibles yet. I think some of the Monster Hunter ones will probably be the first ones we see, or, you know, outside of the DeLorean time machine. But yeah, that is absolutely the intention. You'll be able to stand and take photos with your favorite NFL players in AR. You might be able to eventually add moves to them as well. So, you know, making that touchdown throw or whatever it happens to be. Yeah, the possibilities there are quite limitless as well. So it'll be good. I think I've mentioned this previously, but the newest phones are coming out with LiDAR technology in them as well, right? Which, rather than just placing your collectibles into your surroundings, your phone is actually capable of 3D mapping the room, which means that your collectibles can then interact with your real world surroundings more than just, you know, throwing a ball or something like that. You know, so you might be driving the DeLorean around and crash into the wall, and then it's dented permanently, or that, you know, you have to take it to the AR garage and get it fixed. Like, there's some really, really cool things that we'll continue to roll out as the technology improves. We're very much building for the wearable future. I don't know that we have any specific partnership with Oculus or you know, a company that's building the hardware, but I'm personally of the belief that phones will be obsolete in a decade. I think we'll all be using wearables. In that digital world, you want premium digital content, and really we're just going to continue to see the integration of augmented reality technology in our day-to-day. I think that's where people truly see the potential of Veve, in its current iteration as well. I can't wait to be untethered by the phone.
Me too.
Yeah. I mean, the showrooms are built that way. You know, the fact you can drop it in augmented reality and hold your phone up and walk through it is amazing. But when you don't have to hold the phone up and you can actually explore that digital space in your own space, like, it's going to be pretty cool.
So that's the video, my friends. If you've learned something new, feel free to drop a like. Or if you just want to help your boy out, also drop a like. Don't forget that Boise Crypto is doing a giveaway on my behalf. As soon as I hit 500 subscribers, he's giving away 25 gems to 2 lucky winners. So all you need to do is be subscribed for now. And yeah. And with that being said, thanks for watching the video. I'm not a financial advisor at all. I'm just a guy with a lot of opinions and who likes to read from Veve's Medium articles. And thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.